The Ring Floodlight Cam turning on and off repeatedly is a common issue often caused by motion detection sensitivity, timer settings, or power fluctuations. Common causes include motion detection sensitivity that's too high, conflicting timer settings, and power fluctuations. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing the problem, ensuring your security light works as intended. The latest Ring app version 3.52 Plus and firmware 7.4.1 Plus include fixes, so start by updating your devices. Your Ring Floodlight Cam may cycle on and off due to various factors. Let's examine some key settings. Motion detection sensitivity that's set too high can cause the light to trigger repeatedly from minor movements. Timer settings can create conflicts where the light turns on briefly, then off, but motion immediately retriggers it. Use the Ring app to check motion settings, timers, and device status. One of the primary culprits behind your Ring Floodlight Cam cycling on and off is overly sensitive motion detection. This causes the light to activate from minor movements like wind-blown objects, shadows, or small animals. To fix this, access the Ring app and navigate to your Floodlight Cam settings. In the settings, lower the motion sensitivity. Start by reducing it to 50 to 70%. This prevents unnecessary activations while maintaining security for actual threats. Additionally, utilize the Motion Zones feature. This allows you to focus detection on specific areas like your driveway and exclude others, such as a windy tree. Open the motion settings in the app and edit the zones. Timer settings can conflict with motion detection, creating an on-off loop. Review your timer schedules in the Ring app. Ensure there are no overlapping schedules or conflicts with the motion-only mode. Adjust timers to align with motion events using smart lighting. For example, if a timer turns the light off but motion retriggers it, disable or adjust the timer. Unstable power can cause flickering and on-off cycling in your Ring Floodlight Cam. First, verify your Floodlight Cam has a stable 110 to 240 volt AC power supply. Check for loose wiring connections, which can lead to voltage fluctuations. Use a multimeter to test the voltage if necessary. If the camera shares a circuit with other appliances, consider moving it to a dedicated circuit to avoid interference. Software glitches can cause your Ring Floodlight Cam to cycle on and off repeatedly. A device reset clears temporary issues and restores default settings. First, locate the Reset button on your Floodlight Cam. It's usually on the top or back of the device. Hold the Reset button for exactly 15 seconds. The device will restart, and you may see lights flashing to confirm the reset. After the reset completes, open the Ring app on your smartphone. Check for firmware updates in the device settings. Install any available firmware updates. These updates include important bug fixes and performance improvements that specifically address motion detection and timer issues. Ring's smart alerts use AI to differentiate between people, pets, and vehicles. Enable people-only mode to minimize false triggers from animals or cars. These AI-powered features significantly reduce unnecessary activations, preventing the light from repeatedly turning on and off. This feature is available on newer Ring devices and requires a Ring Protect subscription. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the cycling light issue, hardware problems may be at fault. Ring provides a comprehensive 2-year warranty that covers manufacturing defects and hardware failures. For assistance, reach out to Ring customer support through their live chat feature or community forums. Support representatives can remotely diagnose the problem and guide you through additional steps or arrange for a replacement device. In cases of persistent issues, professional installation services or hardware replacement under warranty may be necessary. Ring's support team can help coordinate these options to ensure your device works reliably. By utilizing Ring's warranty and support options, you can effectively resolve ongoing Floodlight Cam issues and maintain optimal security for your home.